hey guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I gonna be showing you how to convert any audio to ATD within 1 minute in Adobe Audition. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So here I have opened Adobe Audition. So firstly let's open up a clip. So I'm using no copyright sign. So let's drag it to the timeline. Now here you can see it is simple audio. So let's you can hear the audio. So it is simple. Let's convert it to ATD. So for this, go effects and then go to spatial, and here you can see here is the option named Do plus after process. So click on this and remember to set the settings, and inside here presets, set it to custom and set everything setting as you can see in the screen. You can also take a screenshot of it, so after you can see the settings. So set the radius to 45
and density to m per second, starting angle to 280 degree, centering front by 0 m and center right by 0 m,
and adjust volume based on set it to direction. And quality, here you can see a lot of qualities. If you select low, so it will convert your voice not much like ATD. So always remember to select perfect. It can be the sound will be the more clear in the perfect, and the clip size will be long. So but select perfect and then click on apply. It will take some time, and now it is converted your audio to the ATD. Here you can see. And one thing also left, go to effects and click on reverb and select for reverb. Now check the setting as I have done. You can take a screenshot as I have told you before, and also set to this you can take a screenshot. Now hit apply. Now our audio clip is completed. Now you can hear. I suggest you to use headphone. This will be not so clear because YouTube compress the video quality a little bit. So I gonna give you the link in description for the song. You can also hear it. I have made a lot of ATD songs. You can see my playlist, or I will give you the link in description as well. So this was so easy. When you do it, it will so easy to do and it not take so much time. You just have to apply two effects. First one is the Do plus shifter, and second one is the full reverb. So that are not so timey, and it is so easy to do, and it will not take some time. So if you like the video, so please like the video, and if you find my video helpful, so share this with your friends and comment how was the video. And if you want I make any type of video, you can comment. I will make video on every topic you say. So thanks for watching.